Struggling with your MetaQuest 3 controllers? Let's fix that in a jiffy. First off, the basics. Check your batteries. Make sure they're fresh and inserted correctly. Sometimes it's as simple as swapping in a new set. Next, try restarting your headset. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. This often fixes temporary glitches. Ensure nothing's blocking the line of sight between your controllers and headset. Reflective surfaces or nearby electronics can cause interference. Still not working? Let's repair the controllers. Open the MetaQuest app, tap Menu, then Devices, select your headset, and follow the pairing steps. Try unpairing and repairing if needed. Sometimes resetting the connection does the trick. Check the controller's tracking cameras for dust or smudges. Clean them gently with a microfiber cloth. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. Follow the specific button sequences for each controller. And don't forget to check for updates and remove any third-party accessories that might interfere.